From the consumer perspective, Caroline Grassani found these standouts.
That's right, Jody. While health and wellness certainly was a prevailing theme on the show floor, exhibitors showed they are also catering to many other consumer needs. Consumers who crave special and unique items for the home, foods with a play factor, and eco-friendly products will be pleased with many of the store brand items available. Let's move on to some of the items designed to save time and effort around the home. As more consumers buy single-serve coffee machines, they're looking for ways to maintain them. Caffenu has one answer with these cleaning capsules that sanitize the coffee system and remove residue. Speaking of single-cup coffee machines, eco-minded consumers are concerned about the waste created when they dispose of the capsules. That's why they may like these plant-based single-serve coffee capsules. These are from Burke Brands. They're the marketer of Don Pablo coffee. These are made from beet sugar and are 100% compostable. As these products demonstrate, exhibitors showed they are listening to what consumers want in both food and non-food. Back to you, Jody.
Thanks, Carol.